little ones. Can you guess who I am? Yes, I'm Rabbit. This is my new bicycle. Now, I'm going to the vegetable market to buy my favorite vegetable. And can you tell me which one is that? Which is my favorite vegetable? You are right. Carrot? Do you like? I love carrots so much. They are so crunchy and sweet. Can we make carrot stew?
Dear, that sounds like a wonderful idea. Carrot stew with a side of fresh greens. And maybe we can even bake some carrot muffins for dessert.
Mom, look! I got some carrot seeds from the market. Can we plant them in our garden?
That is a wonderful idea, sweetie. Planting our own carrot means we'll have fresh ones all the time.
Friends, I am going to water them every day and talk to them too. I heard that helps plants grow faster.
Little ones. Carrots are crunchy, tasty, and nutritious root vegetables that come in various colors. They're an excellent source of vitamin A, fiber, antioxidants. Minerals like potassium and manganese. Carrots support healthy vision, immune function, digestion, and skin health. Enjoy them raw or cooked in a variety of dishes, from salads and stews to soups and snacks.